I don't know why I'm here. Ugh. I'm tired. But happy Remembrance Day. Once upon a time there's a soldiers that shot multiple times and died. Just roll the clip already. I hate stories. Stupid cameraman. Whoa 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 whoa. It's Remembrance Day that came back. I have to go to school to teach my kids. Hi people. Happy Remembrance Day. That soldiers died in a horrible war.
Ugh. I hate Remembrance Day.
Oh my god. You little devil. You go sit out in the hallway right now. Until you think about what you did. That this is an important day. That we care about our soldiers that are saving us. You little worm. Get out of my classroom.
Man, this is not fair. Man, my teacher is not fair. Ugh. Wait, what is that over there? That's the fire alarm. I'm going to pull down the fire alarm, wahahaha. And now I have to get the heck out of here. Before I get busted.
Single file line. Class. I got to turn off this stupid alarm. Well. This was only a false alarm. Someone pulled down the fire alarm and scared the whole entire freaking school.
We have security footage. That punk. I'm going to tell his parents that he pulled down the fire alarm. And he will be suspended for 1 whole month.
What the heck? When Caillou get home he is going to be in big trouble. Ooh. Caillou, how dare you pull down the fire alarm at your school? You are grounded, 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 grounded. 153,600 is 33,860,000,580 years. Go upstairs and poop your pants.
I am a floating head on the floating head on the floating head of a floating head. Nobody likes a floating head glitch.